pre-approval letter, an official pre-approval letter. Most people think in terms of pre-qualification, pre-approval as being one and the same. They're really not the same. On a pre-qualification letter, someone has asked you about your income, they've asked you about your assets, and they've done some mathematical calculations, and based on those calculations, they say the numbers work and you would be approved. On a pre-approval, you actually have to have a credit report run. The main thing in having a credit report run is it will give us information that we may or may not be aware of. There could be some things wrong on your credit report that you're not aware of. There are actually mistakes on credit reports, and these can be corrected. And any of these things will affect your credit score. Based on your credit score, that can affect what your interest rate actually comes out to be. So knowing that you have anything wrong on your credit report is key to getting a pre-approval and getting it right, and it also can affect the interest rate that you're going to eventually wind up with. So I think it has multiple levels of something that's good in the system. Once we know what the credit problems are, if there are any, we can address them. You can always have a rapid rescore done and get a credit score even higher if it would affect a program. If it's not going to have any effect, then it doesn't matter. Not all credit reports have something derogatory or bad on them, but should they have one, there are ways that you can get it fixed. So we do recommend that you get a pre-approval with a credit report. A lot of lenders do not do credit reports when they do their pre-approval because there is a cost to the lender to do this, and they're not going to take the cost from the borrower, and they just don't want to, how do we say, invest into it without knowing what the answers would be. One of the other things that I think you need to do when you look at a pre-approval is you need to determine whether it has all the components that a pre-approval should have. Did it address the program that you're looking to apply for, meaning FHA, conventional, an adjustable rate mortgage? Did it address the mortgage amount and the down payment? And again, depending on your credit score, you could wind up with a situation where you won't qualify for every program out there. So again, it has, the credit scores you're seeing has a lot of merit and a lot of weight into getting an official pre-approval.